Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, let's gather the necessary tools for this repair. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts during the process. First, unplug your Thermomix TM31. Safety is paramount, so ensure that the appliance is completely disconnected from any power source. Next, remove the bowl and lid to give yourself some space to work. Now, let's take a look at the panel. You will see several screws that need to be removed. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the screws located at the back of the panel. Keep these screws in a safe place so you can easily access them later. If you find it challenging to reach some screws, a flathead screwdriver can help pry open any tight spots. Once all screws are removed, gently pull the panel away from the body of the Thermomix. Be cautious during this step, as there are wires connected to the panel that you don't want to damage. If you feel unsure about this step, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our technicians can handle it for you with no hassle. With the panel detached, take a moment to clean the internal components of your Thermomix. Use a soft cloth to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated over time. This is a good opportunity to ensure your machine remains in top condition. Next, let's prepare the new panel. Take your replacement panel and ensure that all connections are aligned properly. If you don't have the tools to complete this, don't worry. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get your Thermomix repaired without the need for any calls or travel. Carefully connect the wires from the new panel to the corresponding terminals in the Thermomix. Make sure each connection is secure to avoid any issues later on. Once everything is connected, gently align the panel back onto the body of the Thermomix. Now it's time to reinsert the screws. Use your Phillips screwdriver to secure the panel in place. Remember to tighten the screws adequately, but be cautious not to over-tighten them, as this could damage the panel or the internal components. After securing the panel, it's important to test your Thermomix TM31. Plug it back in and run a quick test cycle to ensure everything is functioning properly. If you encounter any issues, just a reminder that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know what to expect before any work is done. Lastly, if you have any leftover screws or parts, double-check your work to ensure nothing is misplaced. Clean up your workspace and dispose of any packaging from the new panel responsibly. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the panel on your Thermomix TM31. Remember, if you ever need assistance, our services are just a call away, and we're here to help you with any repair needs. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.